everybody, welcome to our channel. If you're new here, this is CraftShip Wonders. In this video, we are going to make a 3-dimensional house. So before going to the video, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Let's move into the video. Hello guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a 3-dimensional house. So this is the model of the house that we are going to make. See, it has a roof. This is the front view of the house. It has a door, and this is the side view. It has a window, and this is the back view, and this is the another side view. So we are going to make this house in a easy manner with a folding type. We are going to make this house with a single chart. So it comes very good and it is very easy to make. So let's start doing. So guys, now I have taken a chart here to make the house. So the measurement of the chart is 54 centimeter into 17 centimeter, length 54 centimeter and breadth 17 centimeter. So now we are going to make a template of the house in this chart. So guys, now this is the template of the house that we are going to make. So this is the two side view, and this is the front view, and this is the back view. So if you want to see the measurements clearly, I have given the photocopy in the description below, so please check it out. So this measurement is 10 centimeter and this is 15 centimeter, and again this is 10 centimeter and 15 centimeter. So what we are going to do is we are going to cut the outer part of the house. So guys, now I cut the outer part of the template. Now I'm going to do a slight cut in these parts of the template. So now I made a slight cut in these parts of the template. So guys, now to make the foldings very easy to do, I'm going to use a ballpoint pen and a ruler. I'm going to just place the ruler in this line, and I'm going to draw a line with the ballpoint pen. And now here you can see we can fold the thing very easy. The same step we have to do for all the lines. So guys, now all the parts in the template becomes easy when we fold. So guys, now we have to make a diagonal cut in the top of the house. And we have to fold this part in the upper direction. For the door and the window, we have to cut like that I have shown in the model of the house. So the doors of the window and the doors of the door should be opened. In that way we have to cut. So guys, now I have cut the sides of the window and the doors opened. So now I am going to paste these house. So the first step is to apply some glue in this corner. So let's apply some glue. So now I put some glue in this edge of the chart. Now I am going to fold this house and I am going to paste it in this place. So guys, now I pasted the edge of the house. Now you can see that our house is shaking. To steady the house, we have to paste the downward direction. So guys, now I finished pasting the downside of the house. Now I am going to paste these edges together to finish our house. So guys, now I finished pasting all the corners and now house is ready. So now I am going to use these things to make a border for a door and a window. So guys, now I finished pasting the border for the door as well as the window. Now I am going to paste the roof. So every house needs a roof. Now for the roof I have taken a cardboard sheet and I painted it in brown color. Now I am going to paste this sheet as a roof for our house. So guys, now I finished pasting the roof for the house. Now I have taken some yellow color paper strips like this. Now I am going to paste these strips in the bottom of the house. So guys, now I pasted all the yellow color paper strips at the bottom of the house. So now our house is ready.
So guys, this is the 3-dimensional house that we made. It is so easy to do. I have given the measurements in the description below. If you want to know that, you can check it out in the description. If you like this video, please like, share and also subscribe to our channel. I will catch you in the next amazing video guys.